barking at, Eli? Deborah the dummy? Who's that, Eli? What you barking at? Huh? You were too much.
Where's the rest of the person?
He's growling. Look at him.
Oh my.
I don't know if I should go next to her. Eli! Go get him! Go get him! Go get her! Go get her! Go get her! Go get her! Come on! Go get her!
This is the first time he's noticed her?
Yep.
Oh, that's so funny.
Go get her! Go get her!